Lots of bees tonight in the city of Las Cruces, from Bulldogs to Breast Cancer Awareness Night, babies on the field, and of course the 5-2 Las Cruces Bulldogs hosting the 5-1 Oñate Black Knights. After the Bulldogs elected to defer the opening kickoff, the Black Knights drove down the field in impressive fashion. NMPreps.com 5A Coach of the Year candidate Kelly McKee and company put together a very impressive 9-play scoring drive, capped off by Aaron Sandoval 15-yard touchdown run early in the first quarter. Bulldog return man Daniel Martinez set the Dogs up in great field position after an excellent kickoff return to start their first drive. However, penalties pushed the Dogs back, forcing them to punt on their first offensive possession. The Black Knights would capitalize on their next offensive possession thanks to a nice run right here by Jason Sandoval. A few plays later, his twin brother Aaron Sandoval would kick a 30-plus yard field goal to make it 9-0 heading into the second quarter. The Bulldogs could not get anything going against Oñate in the first half. Their second possession would end in a punt. In fact, the Bulldogs only had 47 total yards of offense at halftime. The Black Knights converted 2 fourth down plays on their next possession. This halfback pass you see right here set up yet another score by Aaron Sandoval to put the Black Knights up 16-0. Down 16, the Bulldogs would mount a quick comeback just before halftime. Right here you see Xavier Hall cut up the field for a few yards, and then a 47-yard field goal would put us in the break 16-3 All Black Knights. Down 13 at the break, the Bulldogs try to get the ball moving. Right here you see Jeremy Burma cut up the field for a few yards, but the Black Knight defense again proved to be solid, forcing the Bulldogs to turn it over off a lack of first downs. The Black Knights would come out swinging again on offense. A Sandoval to Sandoval connection set up a, you guessed it, Jason Sandoval touchdown run to give Oñate a 23-3 lead early in the fourth quarter. The Bulldogs had one more shot to get back into the game, but Jeremy Burma interception to Oñate's Aaron Sandoval closed the door on all hopes of a comeback. This one was all Oñate, 30-3. The Black Knights moved to 6-1 on the year, while Las Cruces drops to 5-3. We caught up with Jason Sandoval after the game, and here's what he had to say about the Black Knights' huge victory.
It's amazing, man. Big help being the underdog. We're going to be the underdog the rest of the way still. We got Mayfield. This hasn't changed nothing. We earned a little respect. Coach told us a story about respect with Muhammad Ali, and we still haven't earned ours yet. Just there a little bit, but still not all respect to me.
What was some game plan coming into this game against Las Cruces? What did you want to do offensively?
Smash mouth football, us against them, just toe to toe.